Good morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, today I've got two airdrops and two updates, and a very big opportunity for people who can invest around $50 to $100. So, let's move on towards the first airdrop and make sure you watch the complete video because the airdrops today they are a bit tricky, so you have to see the complete video, then only you can be participating in it. So the first one is CoinRX market, CoinRX exchange airdrop. They are giving away $40 worth of CRX or BTC. So let's move on towards it, and what you have to do is simply click the sign up over here. First of all, select your language. It would be converted to English. Then you have to come here, click sign up, provide them your sign up details, your email address, your password. If you want to join through mobile, you can also join through mobile, but I prefer you join with email address. Okay, I will give you the link in the description, so you can simply go and join it. Okay, so what you have to do is, it's better, because right now I just checked out, it's better you join it with your mobile phone. Each and every country is over here. Select your country code, your mobile number, give them a password, confirm your password once again, and click send code. A SMS will come to your mobile number which you gave here to register, and you have to simply click I agree to and click on this. Your user center will open. You have to confirm your email over there, and simply you have to complete your KYC. As soon as your KYC is completed, you will get $40 worth of BTC or CRX coins, the exchange coins. This is it, and this would be withdrawable after the announcement. So we have to wait till then, and I will update on my YouTube channel as well as on Telegram channel, so you don't have to worry, because people come to me that when we can withdraw. So whatever airdrops I make you join, I will update you whenever I receive any update, whenever I receive the reward. So let's move on towards the update. But before that, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe. It takes only 2 seconds. Click subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so you will never miss any update. Okay, the update is, I shared a FlitPay airdrop with you. 1000 worth of Flit tokens. I have received here 1429 Flit coins. This is India's leading exchange, and these FLT tokens can be exchanged on their own exchange, which they are going to launch in few days. So once the exchange is launched, we can sell the coins and withdraw the money instantly. So do not miss this. You will get the link in the description also. It's a very good airdrop, so I prefer do not miss it, because it can give you a lot of money. Yeah, you have heard the right thing. You can get a lot of money through this, because they are a big exchange, and you can also see that their major currency is also INR. The Indian people, they can easily buy and sell FLT tokens. But When you join this airdrop, the KYC is must. They approve KYC in 2-3 days or 4 days. It takes a long time, but still I prefer you to not miss this. Let's move on towards the second airdrop. It's a central market airdrop round 1. Here you will get 50,000 CMT coins for completing the social task and 10,000 CMT coins per referral. Simply click start, sort out the captcha, join their official channel, join their group, share their channel, enter your Telegram username, follow them on Twitter, and you have to give them a screenshot proof. So this is how you will take a screenshot. Next, you have to retweet their pinned post and you have to provide them the link like this. Subscribe their YouTube channel, and again you have to give them the screenshot. It's a latest and fresh airdrop, so do not miss it. Follow them on Medium, again take a screenshot and show them. Submit your MyEther wallet address and your job is done. Now you can check your balance and you will get your referral link. Share your referral link with some friends so you can earn much more. Let's move on towards the investor point. I'm sharing a coin. It's a block cannon coin. Its IEO is going on LAR token exchange at the price of $0.60. The main thing is it is currently listed on 5 big exchanges. This is their website. It's currently listed on 5 big exchanges, and LAR token is a very big exchange and its IEO is ongoing over there. If any one of you want to make some good money and you are capable of investing like $100 or minimum $60 and as much as you can, so there is no limit, so I will prefer you go and invest here in this block cannon IEO. So let me show you their rating. It's a 9.0 from Crypto10, and these are the exchanges where CBD is listed. Best exchange IEO, McAfee Dex, Ether Delta, Saturn Network, Bamboo Relay, CryptoLex, and Fork Delta. So it's currently listed on 7 exchanges. So for the investors, I prefer to not miss it, because in the coming few days or weeks, it would be listed probably on the most top 5 major exchanges like Binance, KU Coin, Hit BTC, IDEX. So you can make a big money from it. If you need any help, if you don't understand what to do, how to buy from IEO, and you want to invest, I will give my direct Telegram link to contact me directly. I will help you out and we can invest and you earn money. So I will give the direct link of my Telegram in the description. Take care. Love you all. Bye bye.